Hi guys, let's learn AND function in Google Sheets. So let's say we want to check multiple conditions, then AND function is used. Let's learn it by an example. Now there are two columns and we want that first should be greater than 0 and second should be less than 0. We want to find those rows. Okay, so let's type it. Let's type and when bracket starts, we can have multiple logical expressions, but in this case here in this example we are testing only two logical expressions. So this is A1, we want it to be greater than 0, put comma, B1, okay, B and 1 should be less than 0, okay. This is our condition. Both these conditions should satisfy, then only it will return true, otherwise false. Close the bracket, hit enter, and this will be false because A is greater than 0 but B is not less than 0. We can drag it to the end and we find that this is true. Here A is greater than 0, this is less than 0. Okay, so this is how AND function is being used in Google Sheets. Now we can use modify it further, and let's see how. Now let's combine it with an if statement. Okay, so let's write if statement is equals to if. Okay, now the logical expressions will be, in that logical expression we'll write and. The logical expression is A1 greater than 0, comma, B1 greater than 0. This time we are finding both are positive or not, and we'll close the bracket of and then put comma. Now value if true, then we can type our own statement. Both are positive, and another statement, value if false. Then I'll type both are not positive. Okay, some of them is negative. Okay, and after that we'll close the bracket and hit enter, and here we can see both are positive. Just drag it to the end. Here we see both are not positive, both are not positive, both are positive in this case. So in this way we can combine it with an if statement, the AND operator. AND operator can be combined with multiple statements in this way. Thanks for watching. Please do like.